If you paid $3,915.60 in property taxes on a house appraised at $125,500, what is the property tax rate in your neighborhood? Express your answer to the nearest hundredth of a percent. Okay, so again, we're looking at a tax rate. Tax rates are expressed in percents. So you're trying to find what percent. That's the question that you're answering. And if you're answering what percent, you're talking about x over 100 and writing a proportion. Now, the right side of your proportion, right, we think about part over whole. So we have two numbers. We've got $3,915.60 and we've got $125,500. Which one of them is part of the total and which one is the total? Well, the total is the value of your house, which is $125,500, and the part would be $3,915.60. After you do that, you have yourself a proportion where we are solving for x, what percent? So let's go ahead and solve this proportion. X over 100, $3,915.60, all over 125,500. When I cross multiply, I get 125,500x equals 391,560. So we multiply 100 times the 3,915. Now, the equal sign splits this equation in two equal parts, and I divide both sides by the number in front of x. Because recall, when you divide by the number in front of x, 125,500 divided by 125,500 reduces down to 1. And I have 1x equals 3.12. And because we are finding what percent, that is a percent. So the tax rate in your neighborhood is 3.12%.